Okay, so now we have already recorded it. So the next part is that we are going to understand what is a feature, and then we will be resampling it, and then we will be also doing the feature extraction. So first, let us go and do the first part, which is the resampling. So what you have to do, you have to open Google Colab. You have to create a new code here. You can first create a text. You can write all this prompt which is there, and then you can create a code using plus, right? And this code are already pasted in the WhatsApp. So you can open your WhatsApp ASR, and yeah. So you can see here all the codes are already there from yesterday. Lab one, right? So first we will see the lab one. So you have to simply paste all this code, copy and paste it in the collab, and you have to run it. So before doing that, you have to upload the file because we are needing one file here, english.wave. So you have to upload this file, and then you simply run this code, right? This is a very basic. First, we will import the libraries, and then we will read the file, and then we will resample it using this function librosa.resample. So once you run this, yeah, so you will get this output as it will take few seconds, and then it's still running. Yeah. So it has now finished running, and you can see here it has given you the original sampler rate. The new wave file, it has saved it as English underscore 16 kilohertz, 16K. So this is how you do the resampling using a function livelibrosa.resample. So next thing is we are going to plot this signal. So again, these codes are there. You simply copy it and run it. Sorry, it's already, I think it's the same thing. So yeah, I have to plot this. So I'll go to step 2, and you can simply plot this. You will visualize the original signal, and you can also visualize the new resampled signal. And finally, we can do a comparison between both the signal, the original signal and the resampled signal. You can see the number of samples in both the signals. So this was the first part of the lecture. And second part was we will understand features. So I will be covering it in the next video.